Celi Celorio. I'm from Mexico City. I came here for 3 months initially, but I mean, just getting away from the city and being here surrounded by all of this and, you know, nature, the ocean, I think I'm staying for a little bit longer. I studied biotechnology, and when I started the undergrad program, I thought I wanted to be a doctor. When I was in the courses, I was like, what the hell do I care about the 27 branches of the aorta, and like, why do I have to learn this if I can just look it in a book then? And like, I'm not gonna be doing the surgery on people, so I don't need to know the exact name of that branch and that artery and that vein. So when I was on Facebook scrolling, and a video appeared of this guy in Australia that was doing artificial structures for coral reefs. I loved it, and I started digging into the restoration of corals. It changed my way, like my point of view, my way of thinking. Then my cousin came to Cozumel Coral Reef Restoration, and I saw a story on Instagram, and I was like, why do you get to do coral conservation and restoration and I don't? And then I was like, okay, what does it, like, it doesn't help you to be mad at him for being here, just like work on what you have to work to get yourself there. I finished college, I came here for a month and a half, and I can't explain like what that month did to me. It really changed my mind in the way that I didn't just want to go back, get a job, and help the company make money so I can make money. It was like, you have a whole world underneath that needs our help. If you can't even see the damage that's being done on land, like, you can't even imagine like what's happening down there. And I was like, that doesn't make sense. I don't want to spend the rest of my life working and having no impact. In a trip we did to Belize, I was in a pretty bad car accident, and while I was recovering, all I could think was getting back in the water. The doctor said I was going to walk again, but at that point I couldn't move. I was just bed bound. At one point my dad told me like, okay, you focus on your recovery, and then on January 18, that's the day of the accident, so a year from that day, go scuba dive. And I was like, yes! Many people said, you're like the Little Mermaid, and I'm like, no, I'm the opposite of the Little Mermaid, because the Little Mermaid wants to get out of the water and be human. I don't want to have legs. I want to have, you know, the mermaid tail, and I have nothing to do with the Little Mermaid. She's like the opposite of me, like my anti-me. Being able to just say, okay, I can go today and be underwater just for whatever time, like, it's all worth it. Like, that was my biggest inspiration, and I have no words to explain it. It's wonderful. It's just magic.